In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal to Coinbase so that you can buy crypto using the cards on your PayPal account or withdraw your funds to PayPal. So to do this, you want to go to your initial in the top right and then click Settings. From here, you want to click on Payment Methods. Then you want to click Add a Payment Method. Then you want to click on PayPal. Then you will need to log into your PayPal account. So you may have to fill in some two-factor authentication stuff, but then you should get to a screen where you can click Agree and Continue. And you can now see your PayPal account has been linked successfully. And that's how you connect your PayPal account to Coinbase. So if you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with Coinbase, you may want to see a full tutorial on how to use Coinbase, so I recommend watching this one next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.